Hi everyone, today we are going to install Anaconda software that provides a more specialized environment for machine learning and data science. So it is basically an open source distribution of Python and R programming languages that includes a collection of packages and tools for data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. It basically simplifies the process of installing and managing these packages and makes it easier for data scientists and developers to set up their Python and R environments for various data related tasks. So let's start. Here is the site. I will mention the link in the description. If we will scroll down, we have this download icon. Click here. So this one is for the Windows. Here we can see we can use the Anaconda for the data exploration and transformation, visualization, AI, machine learning, NLP, then front-end development also we can do, and we have multiple R packages with this software. Other than Windows, we have the Mac installer here, Mac and the Linux installer. So if we see, then it is around 898 MB for Windows, and here we can see the versions for Mac and Linux. Let's wait until it's installed. Okay, download completed. Let's run this file. Next, agree with the terms and conditions. Just me. Here's the path. We can clear the package cache upon completion. Then let's install it. Okay, installation complete. Next, next. Let's open the software. In Windows, just click on Start and search for Anaconda prompt. So what is the use of this Anaconda prompt? Here we can use any Python package easily. Generally, we use pip install and the library name. Suppose I want to install pandas, I will give pip install pandas. But here in the Anaconda prompt, we can install the softwares, we can install the libraries by using conda. So what command we will be giving? Conda install and the library name. So if I want to install pandas, I'll give conda install pandas. And it's started. Basically, Anaconda prompt is a terminal that comes with the Anaconda distribution. It's a CLI that allows you to manage your Anaconda installation and all the environment and the packages. So it is similar to the Windows command prompt, but it's pre-configured to use with Anaconda. So in this way, we can install any of the library and we can start working on Anaconda software. Thank you. Stay tuned.